burden of beyond a reasonable doubt just by saying there really is no other option here. At the end of the day, he was the last person to see her. They're giving the jury plenty of opportunity. They're giving him that he has the knowledge of where to get rid of her. He had access to where to get rid of her. If she committed suicide, certainly with all the extensive searches you've heard about, guys, we would have found this woman. Even though she said, "You're not going to find me next time," what she meant was, "You're not going to find me before I'm dead," which is the son found her before she had actually died. So that's something she had said. So will that be, is it possible that even with that knowledge, that they can get over this reasonable doubt hurdle by just saying, look, there is no other explanation here, folks?
Of course, there's always explanations. And that's why I think it's going to be troublesome for them to say there is no other reasonable explanation, getting over that hurdle. I think they are going to have an issue. Again, would a jury necessarily, in this case, would they convict or not convict? Again, we've seen it all. I've seen it all. It could happen. But if we keep reasonable doubt in our minds, I think the prosecution is going to have trouble getting over that hurdle, because not only do we not have the body, but we've got a man, and I thought it was very powerful from Marcia to say that he was always there for them as a father. That to me is a powerful statement coming from someone who's being a little suspicious, but still saying he was wonderful to them. He was a father to them. He was a dad to them. And this is, again, remember, this is a woman who has twice tried to commit suicide and was upset when she was found the second time. And that's why she said, "Next time, you're never going to find me." Now, you can interpret it any way you want. That could also mean that you're not going to physically find me next time. That's one reasonable way of interpreting what she said. And it looks like that's exactly what she may have done this time. She made sure no one was going to find her. So is that a reasonable explanation? Of course. Does that create reasonable doubt? Definitely, in my opinion.
Yeah, she even testified that he walked her down the aisle at her wedding. So that's powerful stuff to humanize this defendant. Kirk, I only have a couple of seconds.